Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Company Ball, local and long-distance movers near me. As long-distance shifts require more planning and manpower, they also require more trucks and resources to complete the shift. When you hire us, you need not worry about getting all the licenses and the permits, as we take charge of all the important duties. And keeping your belongings as a major concern, our movers use specific tools to handle your delicate, edgy, or heavyweight items. With us, your belongings are completely safe. We provide insurance on products that are shifted through us, meaning, in case of any wear and tear, the damage will be borne by us without any extra charges. Keeping a professional approach with our clients, we notify our charges beforehand so that our clients can make an informed judgment and plan their budget accordingly. Moreover, our movers are trained to handle any shortcoming that arrives during the transit and make sure to provide high-quality services in a short period. Plus, our movers try their best to cater to all the requirements made during the transit. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our company Ball Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.